StauntonChrysler.com. If you ain't first, you're last.
Ricky Bobby, get your butt back here.
I want to go fast.
I said burnouts and donuts only.
Cow, you came in hot. I had Mountain Dew for breakfast. You think of what I'm thinking, man? Shake and bake. Shake and bake. See ya, Cow. Bye, Ricky. Okay, our lawyers just want you to know that this isn't real. My stunt driver's a 45-year-old man.
That's my boy. Forget what your smoking hot moms and teachers say. Just remember my motto.
Wake up in the morning and piss excellence.
No.
Always get a DNA test?
Now the other one. If you ain't first,
You're last. Woo!
StauntonChrysler.com. If you ain't first, you're last.